Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And y'all, I know it has been like a long time since I uploaded a video, but let me just tell y'all, life has been super busy. So the main thing that has been taking up all of my time is my daughter. She went to her first prom, so a lot of my weekends were spent going to look at prom dresses and just getting her and everything ready for prom. I know a lot of you have been with me since I started this YouTube channel, and I have featured Natalie on this channel before. I think the last time you guys saw her was when she did the edges video. I'll have that linked up above so y'all can check that out. But y'all, Natalie is now 17 years old, right? So we're about to have a senior in the house. So yeah, we have just been really busy, with just life and everything. But y'all, we are here today to do another video. And as you can see, my hair is in this bun, and it has been in this bun, I'm gonna say y'all, at least 2 weeks, probably going on 3 weeks. And I would just refresh it here and there. But y'all, it is time to do my hair today, and what I am going to be doing to my hair today is, surprise surprise, a wash and go. But I am trying a new combo, and I believe it was in my last video that I posted, I had got the Doux Dear Mama Moisture Milk here. So I am super duper excited about trying this moisture milk, and I am going to be pairing it with Big Poppa. Yes, so we are gonna see how this combo works together. So I am going to go ahead, hop in the shower, and I'll apply this moisture milk in the shower as well. And then when I come back, I will let you guys see how my hair looks with the moisture milk in it, and we will apply the Big Poppa gel. So let's just go ahead and get this bun out of my hair. On the packaging, it says that Dear Mama Moisture Milk softens, nourishes, and hydrates dry, brittle hair. The non-greasy, anti-breakage hair formula soothes itchy scalp and triples as a leave-in conditioner, detangler, and curl refresher. As far as the detangling claim of this product, as I was adding it to my hair, I feel like it did moisturize it, but it didn't feel slippery as I was adding it to my hair. But once I started using my Tangle Teaser to work the product through my strands, it definitely was easy for the Tangle Teaser to go through my hair. It says that Mama approved manageability and moisture for natural, relaxed, and transitioning hair. The highlighted ingredients in this product are aloe stem cell extract, pineapple extract, and pea extract. It says to apply to clean, damp, or dry hair from scalp to ends, gently detangle and style as usual. You can use this product daily as a leave-in conditioner and moisturizer. Okay y'all, so I am back. I am done doing my hair. I shampooed twice with the Doux Breakdown Clarifying Shampoo because, like I said, y'all, that bun was in my hair over 2 weeks, and I really needed to get all the gel and the product buildup and everything off of it. So I used this first, and then I went in with the from the Doux Press Rewind line, I used the Curl Retention Shampoo to add some moisture in. And I will say that when I applied this shampoo on my hair after using this clarifying shampoo, it was so super duper slippery. And then after that shampoo, I went in with the Heat Prep Conditioner here, and I deep conditioned with the Whoa from the Doux, and congratulations are in order to me because I actually finished this product. So this will be going into my empties stash. And last but certainly not least, I used the Doux Dear Mama Moisture Milk. And I will say that the consistency of this moisture milk is a little on the thicker side. It's not like super duper thick, but like on a scale of 1 to 10 of thickness, I would say it was maybe like a 4 or a 5. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this plastic cap off of my hair so you guys can see what my hair looks like with just the moisture milk in. And I will say that this has been sitting in my hair probably for about maybe 15 or 20 minutes, just enough time for me to get something to eat. So let's just go ahead and take this down and see how my curls look. And as you can see, there is definitely lots of definition, and it did add shine as well. So let's go ahead and get Big Poppa so we can add it to my hair and see how this wash and go combo works out. So basically I'm just going to add Big Poppa to large sections of my hair. And then once I'm done, y'all, I'll come back and let you see what my wet results look like. So I am just going to go ahead and get some clips so I can section my hair. I'm gonna start in the back and work my way up to the front. And y'all, listen, I am using up my stash. This is how much of the Big Poppa I have left in this container. And yes, I do have a whole other new container over there on my shelf. So I am stocked, y'all. So let's go ahead and start with this much of the gel here. I'm just going to apply it to this section. A little bit more. Add to this roots, or add to my roots. No roots left behind, y'all. Pull that all the way down, and y'all know the drill. We are going to section again and add it to the rest of my sections. And like I said, y'all, I will be back once I'm done so we can see what my hair looks like. So just hold on 1 second. Okay, y'all, so I don't know how this wash and go is going to come out, because as you can see, like on my fingers here, it's doing that little curdling, that little clumpage there. So this wash and go outcome is going to be interesting. I mean, if it flakes, like, I don't know, y'all, like I feel like since it's, you know, from the same brand, that it should all mesh well. But listen, we have to wait until my hair completely dries so we can see the results. So this is what my wet results are looking like, and as you can see, there is like some white residue in my hair. So we'll see how this goes, y'all. I'm gonna let my hair set for a little while, and then I'm gonna go in with my diffuser. And once I'm done diffusing, I'll let you guys see what my hair looks like. So 1 more second, y'all. All right, y'all, so this is my hair, and it's probably like, it's still like 50% wet. So I have my diffuser here, and we're just gonna go in and diffuse. Okay, y'all, so we are all dry. This is what my hair is looking like. So as you can see, there is shrinkage. So I do have my scrunchies and I am going to band my hair and put on my satin bonnet. And I will say that my hair did dry without the white residue, which I'm happy about. And I know, I can already tell that this is going to be more of a voluminous wash and go. So I am definitely excited to see what my hair will look like tomorrow. And also, I will say that there is a hold, but there is no crunch at all, which I'm not really surprised because the leave-in definitely alter the hold of Big Poppa. Not that I get like a strong hold from Big Poppa anyway, but I feel like it's going to be even more of a softer hold. But like I said, y'all, we shall see tomorrow. Okay, so I'm done with the scrunchies. Gonna put my bonnet on and I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, y'all, so it is the next day. So let's go ahead, take this bonnet off, take these scrunchies out. Okay, y'all, so that's the first side. Not too shabby. And as I am taking my hair down, I don't see any flakes or anything. So the curdling and the clumpage of the two products together that I showed looks like it was a false alarm. So we are good. So let's go ahead and move to the other side. Oh wait, y'all, told a little story. The flakes are falling on my phone. So if you look at my phone, see the flakes? Hold on, let's see. See the flakes on my phone? Okay, y'all, so my final thoughts about this wash and go is it looks really, really good. My hair feels moisturized, and I will say that the scent on these products does linger. And I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but the Dear Mama Moisture Milk smells like all of their products in the Press Play line. Kind of like that salon type smell. Not really sure how to describe it, but it does smell like that, and I will say that my hair still smells like that. My curls are defined, but not like super duper defined. Like in the front there is like some frizzy sections here, but I will say, like, I like the look of this wash and go. I like the volume that I have with this wash and go, but I feel like the Dear Mama and the Big Poppa together, like, they don't mix, y'all. Like, they can't get it together because they just flake, right? So I don't know if it is just me and how much I applied or the way that I applied it, but comment down below and let me know if you have paired these two together and you got flakes as well. And y'all, like, that is pretty much it for this video. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I apologize that it took me so long to come back, but like I said, y'all, life has been busy. So I'm going to try to keep my momentum, and if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so before you go. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.